Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step that how you can set up webhook inside WP Funnels. So WP Funnels is a WordPress plugin designed to help businesses create and manage sales funnels directly from their WordPress website. It's a no-code funnel builder that allows users to design complete sales funnels, including landing pages, forms, checkout pages, and thank you pages with ease. Okay, so here we are going to learn how you can simply set up a connection between your WP Funnels account and Pabbly Connect to automate your repetitive tasks. Connecting WP Funnels with Pabbly Connect offers several benefits that can significantly enhance your sales and marketing processes. Here's how integrating these two tools will be advantageous, as you will be able to automate sales and marketing workflows with it, seamless integrations with multiple apps, real-time data synchronization, as you can transfer the data from WP Funnels to any other application automatically, and also it will definitely enhance the personalized customer experiences. Okay, so let's get started. Here we are going to set up the connection with the help of Webhook. Webhook acts as a bridge for setting up the connection between different applications and for transferring the data from one application towards another. So here, let's suppose on the happening of any of the specific event inside WP Funnels, you will be able to automatically transfer the data from that same account to other applications automatically. So let's suppose my objective is that whenever an opt-in form for a particular newsletter will be submitted by a user, by a lead, which I've attached on my website, then automatically I want to capture the response and I want to transfer the details of that user who has opt-in to my team members, to my backend team on Google Chat Space. So let's suppose I'm going to take WP Funnels in my trigger and Google Chat Space in my action steps. So as soon as the form will be submitted, then I'm going to send the response towards Google Chat Space, that too automatically. But before moving forward, you can see on my screen there are two windows, trigger and actions. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles or the building blocks on which the entire automation works. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire automation workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Okay, then in this way we are going to automate our entire process. So when we are going to take WP Funnels in trigger and Google Chat Space in action, let's suppose, so when we are going to set up the connection between these two applications, we will be able to clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when the opt-in form will be submitted by an user inside WP Funnels, then only and then immediately an automated message will be sent to our team members on Google Chat Space along with the details of that user who has submitted the opt-in form. So in this way the automation works, the trigger commands and the action follows. Now let's get started quickly. So here, because I am going to show you how you can set up a connection between WP Funnels and Pabbly Connect with the help of Webhook. For that we have to start our workflow. So here to start the workflow, we have to go towards our trigger step and we have to select our trigger application. So our trigger application over here will be WP Funnels. Let's quickly select that. And now we have to select the trigger event. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or it is going to start. You can see we have multiple options over here. CTA trigger, after opt-in form submit, main order accepted, main bump accepted, order bump not accepted, and others as well. So on the happening of whichever event inside WP Funnels you want to capture the response inside Pabbly Connect, you have to select that event from here. I want that, let's suppose, whenever an opt-in form will be submitted by a user which I have created with the help of WP Funnels and I have attached on my website. So then I want to capture the response. So here I'm going to select after opt-in form submit as my trigger event. Okay, now as we have done that, here we have received a webhook URL and also we have received some instructions. We just need to follow these instructions step by step to set up the connection between WP Funnels and Pabbly Connect, and the URL is given over here. So it is going to act as a bridge which is going to transfer the data from WP Funnels towards Pabbly Connect as soon as an opt-in form will be submitted. Alright, so we'll simply copy this URL and I'm going to tell you exactly what we are supposed to do. First of all, in order to set up the connection, in order to connect this WP Funnels with Pabbly Connect, we have to go towards our WordPress site. As WP Funnel is the plugin of WordPress, so you have to first of all go towards your WordPress site. You have to install and activate WP Funnels and WP Funnel integration add-on inside WordPress, and then you have to move forward. Okay, so you'll go towards plugin section over here in WordPress site and you have to click on add new plugin if you have not installed it yet, and you have to install the WP Funnels plugin and you have to activate it also. Once you have done that, what you have to do, you will see WP Funnels over here on top in the left side of WordPress site. Alright, so here you have to go towards the settings section. After coming on settings, here we have three options: funnel, settings and integrations. You have to select integrations option. Alright, Now after coming over here, when we'll scroll down, we'll find the option of Pabbly Connect. Over here you have to enable this option. Once you have done that, let's move forward. Alright, now after you have done that, you have to go towards the funnel section and you have to create a new funnel over here. And if you want to use any existing one, you can also go for that. So you can see, if you want to create a new funnel, you have to click on this add new funnel button and you have to create your funnel. But I have already created a funnel, I have already created an opt-in form and I have attached it on my website as well. So now I'm going to simply set up the connection between this funnel and Pabbly Connect. So what we have to do, we have to simply open this funnel which you want to connect. And here is the funnel, here is the landing page, and here we have the thank you page. I have connected both of them and I've created a funnel. So now what we will do, I will simply turn it on and now I'm going to integrate it with Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL. So for that we have 3 dots over here, we have to select that and here you can see the option of integrations. After coming on integration option, here we have to select the integration name. So you can give any name to your integration. Let's say I'm going to give new submission as my integration name. Okay, after giving the name, here you have to select the CRM through which you want to set up the connection. So here we have to select Pabbly Connect and then it is asking us the user event and the Pabbly Connect webhook URL. So here first of all you will select the specific event on the happening of which you want to send the response towards Pabbly Connect. So here my option will be after opt-in form submit. And here the form is already selected over here, webinar landing Elementor, which we want to connect. Okay, this is the name of the same funnel which I am connecting right now. In the similar manner, you have to select the user event and then you have to simply paste the URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. After you have done that, you will simply click on save. And now whenever an opt-in form will be submitted, the response will be sent to this webhook URL as we have set up the connection. So here our connection is saved and you can see that here we have the new integration which is already ready with the name which we have given it. The trigger over here is after opt-in submit landing, and this means that whenever the opt-in form will be submitted by a new user on our website on the form which we have connected, then immediately we are going to receive the response in Pabbly Connect. For that we'll move forward towards Pabbly Connect. You can see it is showing waiting for webhook response. This means that now it is required that we are submitting the form. So as soon as we will submit the opt-in form, the response will be immediately captured inside Pabbly Connect as we've already set up the connection between our funnel and Pabbly Connect inside WP Funnels. So here I'm once again going to take you towards my WP Funnels account. We'll go back towards the funnel section. And over here, we will simply select the funnel. So here I'm going to click on preview to open the form. And over here, you can see that this is the form which I have created. This is the funnel which I have created. So it contains a form which is attached. And when a user is going to visit my website and he is going to submit this form, then I'm going to receive the response inside Pabbly Connect. So basically, this is just an opt-in form. So let's suppose I'm having an event management company and I have created an opt-in form for the registration of a free webinar which I am organizing for small business owners and entrepreneurs. So when the person is going to visit my website, they are going to submit this form, then immediately I'm going to receive the response. And I will be able to create a record of all these leads with all the details. I will be able to send these leads to other applications such as to my team members on Google Chat Space, Slack, or even I can add them in my CRM applications, okay, as contacts or as leads. And all this can be done automatically. So let's get started quickly. When I'm going to submit the form, we are going to receive the response in Pabbly Connect. So let's say the name of the person who is submitting the form is Demo and the last name of the same person is, let's say, Demo Lead. Then I'm going to enter a random email address, demolead490@pabblytudes.com, and this is a dummy email. And here I'm going to enter a random phone number as well. And I will simply click on register my seat now. As we have done that, the form is submitted successfully. So now I'm going to go back towards Pabbly Connect, and here you can see that as soon as we have submitted the form inside WP Funnels, the response is automatically and instantly captured over here. In this response, when you will look closely, here we have received all the exact same details which we have entered while submitting the forms. You can see this is the same email address, demolead490@pabblytudes.com, same name, demolead, and same number. This means that our connection between WP Funnels and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. So once we have set up this connection and we have received the response, we will be able to send this response to any other application according to our requirements, that too automatically, simply by adding the action applications over here. If I want to create a record of these leads which I am generating, I can create the record inside Google Sheets automatically by adding Google Sheets in my action step. I can also add Google Chat or Slack in my action step to send this response towards my team members. I can also add any CRM application in my action step to send this response towards CRM and create contacts and leads in my CRM application. So according to your requirements, you can set up the connection between the applications to automate your process. And also here, this was just an example of the trigger event I have taken over here after opt-in form is submitted, but you can take any of the event according to your choice. Okay, so that's it in the video. These were the steps which you have to follow in order to set up a connection between WP Funnels and Pabbly Connect with the help of Webhook. Once you will set up this connection, then on the happening of your event, you will be able to receive the response and you will be able to transfer that same response to any other application without any manual efforts. Okay, so I hope this automation is helpful for you and this connection is clear to you. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.